Ever wondered what it takes to win the money game and achieve financial freedom? Today, we're diving into the secrets, the rules, the laws that can transform your financial life. It's like an express course on mastering the art of money management. So buckle up, grab a drink, and let's unveil the 8 laws of money that can propel you towards prosperity. But before we dive into today's content, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from our channel. Law number 1. Money grows on trees. Okay, gather around because we're debunking a myth. Money indeed grows on trees. Now, I know you're probably raising an eyebrow, thinking, wait, what? But hear me out. It's not like you can stroll into a forest and start picking dollar bills off branches. Nope, it's a bit more sophisticated than that. Imagine building wealth as planting your own money tree. Exciting, right? But here's the catch. You've got to create the perfect conditions for it to flourish. Picture this scenario. You plant the seed of a business or an investment. Now, just like a real tree, it won't shoot up overnight. It needs your attention, some watering, and a dash of patience. Growing your money isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Some trees might take a decade or 2 to fully blossom, but when they do, oh boy, they'll keep bearing fruit with minimal effort on your part. So, it's not about working for money forever. It's about working smart to build assets that work for you, even when you're soaking up the sun on a beach somewhere. Law number 2. No limit to what you can spend. Now, here's a crucial rule. There's no limit to what you can spend. But before you start splurging, hear me out. Discipline is key. Elon Musk survived on $1 a day. You can definitely manage your budget wisely. Enjoy the fruits of your labor. Travel. Indulge, but keep your spending below your income. It's about living well without breaking the bank. Law number 3. Money is a lifelong game. Alright, so you've got dreams of sipping cocktails on a beach somewhere, retired, and living the good life. But hold on a sec. Money isn't just a ticket to early retirement. It's a lifelong game. It's like a video game where the levels never end. And there's always a new challenge around the corner. Even if you've built the next big thing or nailed a killer investment, it's not time to kick back and relax just yet. Nope, you're in it for the long haul. Picture this. The big shots, the billionaires who seemingly have it all. They didn't hit pause when they hit the jackpot. Nope, they kept going. It's about more than just making money. It's about managing it, nurturing it, and adapting to the ever-changing landscape. So buckle up for the ride because in this game, there's no final boss to defeat and retire from. It's a continuous journey of growth and evolution. Law number 4. Money won't solve your insecurities. Buying flashy things won't solve your insecurities. We all have them, but compensating with material possessions is a never-ending loop. True acceptance comes from within. Don't drain your bank account trying to fill a void. Work on your social skills. Build confidence and remember, there are better ways to find acceptance without going broke. Law number 5. Don't let anyone know you have money. Okay, folks, let's talk about a ninja move in the money game. Keeping your wealth on the down low. Now, I get it. Hitting those financial milestones can make you want to shout it from the rooftops. But hold your horses because here's the real deal. Don't let anyone know you have money. In this age of capitalism, where the digits in your bank account seem to define your social status, being low-key about your wealth is like having a secret superpower. Why? Well, money has this magnetic quality. It attracts people like moths to a flame. And not all of them have your best interests at heart. Sure, having people admire your success feels good. But trust me, it can come at a price you don't want to pay. So take a page from the humble playbook, keep your achievements under wraps, and keep hustling. Because in this money game, Staying low-key might just be your ticket to avoiding unnecessary drama and ensuring your wealth stays smooth and steady. Law number 6. Greatest wealth transfers happen during crisis. Alright, buckle up because we're diving into a game changer. The roller coaster of wealth during crisis. You ever heard of the phrase, buying the dip? Well, it's not just a catchy slogan. It's a golden ticket to wealth creation. When the financial storm clouds gather and everyone else is running for cover, the savvy ones, the financial wizards, they see a different picture. Crises aren't just disasters. They're treasure troves of opportunities waiting to be uncovered. So here's the deal. Instead of panicking when the market takes a nosedive, take a breath, grab a notepad, and learn from the past. The history books tell tales of economic downturns where fortunes were made. Yeah, it sounds counterintuitive, but the greatest wealth transfers happen precisely when everyone else is shaking in their boots. Picture this. You, armed with knowledge about how and why crises occur, strategically navigating the storm and coming out the other side, not just unscathed, but wealthier. It's like playing chess while others are stuck in a game of checkers. So embrace the chaos, be prepared, and get ready to dance when the music stops. Law number 7. As you get older, your expenses will grow. Have you noticed your expenses creeping up each year? It's a reality check. As you get older, your expenses will grow. Without a proactive approach, you might find yourself trapped in a paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. Ensure your income keeps up with your evolving lifestyle, especially if you plan on starting a family. Law number 8. Wealth accumulates over time. Now, let's talk about the magic ingredient in the wealth recipe: time. Yup, you heard it right. Wealth accumulates over time. It's like that slow-cooked stew simmering on the back burner. You can't rush it, but when it's ready, oh boy, it's worth the wait. So, no quick fixes here. Growing wealth is a gradual process, not an overnight sensation. Think of it as planting a money tree. You pop that seed in the ground, and yeah, it won't sprout into a cash-filled tree overnight. But tend to it, nurture it, and watch it grow. Warren Buffett, the wizard of wealth, didn't become a billionaire overnight. His first billion took 55 years. But here's the kicker. His second billion, 3 years. So the earlier you kickstart this journey, the more time your money has to compound and multiply. Start now. Make those savvy investments and enjoy the show as your wealth blossoms over the years. It's not a sprint, it's a marathon, and the finish line? Well, that's when your wealth becomes a legacy. And there you have it, the 8 laws of money to get rich. Thank you for tuning in to another insightful episode of Wealthway. We trust that the strategies and insights discussed here will help you on your financial path. If you found this video helpful, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more wealth-building content. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts, drop them in the comments section below. Until our next rendezvous, continue your journey towards financial success. And always remember, your wealth is within reach.